Hi, I am Diane Grover, Cosmetic Chemist, Trainer and Assessor at the Institute of Personal Care Science. Today I'm going to show you how to make an exfoliating sugar balm. Now let me show you just how easy it is. Today I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful exfoliating sugar balm. Okay, so for the exfoliating sugar balm, I'll be using some acrylic capric triglycerides, which is a light emollient and a great alternative to mineral oil. To that, I'll add some beeswax to help increase the viscosity of the balm and give it that balm-like texture. The beeswax also helps it from setting too hard. I'll pop those on the heat and just gently melt those down. Okay, once that has melted down entirely, we'll take it off the heat and allow it to start cooling down. Once the emollient and the wax have cooled down to around 60 degrees, you can then add in some plant oils. I've used a mix of almond, macadamia and rosehip oil because these oils are really great on dry, sensitive skin. The oils will help keep the exfoliant gentle on the skin, even in quite dry, sensitive areas like the knees, elbows and heels. Then I will add in some Arlacel 1689. This is a great product. This is a natural water in oil emulsifier that will help the exfoliating sugar balm to wash off with water after use, so it won't feel too heavy or sticky on the skin from the plant oils. And now I'm going to add in the sugar. Sugar is a beautiful, natural and gentle exfoliant that will gently remove dead skin cells from the skin. Once that's beautifully combined, then add in some essential oils. Today I've used a combination of chamomile, lavender and rosewood, as these essential oils are gentle and soothing on dry skin. I'm also just going to pop a little bit of mixed tocopherol in to protect my formula from oxidation, because I have both plant oils and essential oils in there. Now, the exfoliating sugar balm will need to be poured off while it is still semi-solid and then set aside to cool. You will see that once the product is completely cooled down, it will reach its full viscosity and you will have this very beautiful, gentle, hydrating, exfoliating sugar balm. See? And that's how easy it is to make an exfoliating sugar balm. If you liked today's video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe so you receive notifications on videos just like this, and email us at info@personalcarescience.com.au to receive free formulations and reports. Happy formulating!